Hi, sweetheart. I know it's raining out. So I have the four babies here. Mom was here, but she just left. I don't know where she went. Hi, sweetheart. Here you go, honey. You guys are all soaked, I know. Hey, baby cakes. Yeah. And my little sweetheart up here is so soaked. Here you go, sweetheart. I love you. You know I love you very much, right? Right? Yeah, you do. You know I do. Here, sweetie. Here. Here. Got it? Okay. All right, I'll get you some more. Here you go, white face. No, you're not white face. You just got you're all wet. Here you go, sweetheart. One at a time. Here you go, sweetheart. Here you go. Okay. Yeah, so we fought off. We're at the Confederates again today. The racists. They look so pitiful in the fucking rain without their statue. And someone, I honestly swear to God, to my life, I have no idea who, but somebody cut down their flag at the Horton Middle School when we've been protesting at for months. And so they were very angry today. Here you go, sweetheart. You got it? And we eventually took over the spot where the statue was. So it was a good day in the rain. Here you go, honey. Tomorrow's going to be interesting. Tomorrow we're doing an action against ICE and the sheriff of Alamance County, North Carolina. He's a real, I know the word is overused, but he's a fucking Nazi. He gets $2.3 million a year from ICE to be extra scummy. And then he takes the money and gives some to his deputies as bonuses. They have a detention center there. So we're going down to express our displeasure. And the fucker, he arrested someone one time. He chased him down on foot for swearing and putting their foot on the street. So probably going to be a lot of arrests tomorrow, but you got to stand up and do what's right. Fuck Trump, fuck Stephen Miller, fuck the GOP and their evangelical white snake oil salesman supporters. You're just going to sit up there, honey? What are you going to do? You want some more, honey? You want another one? Here you go, sweetheart. I'm sorry it's raining on you and you guys are all wet. I'm sitting out here in the rain too. But I'm tired. I was up at, I don't remember, 5:30, 5:45 this morning to get there on time. Don't bite. No. No. Don't bite the little rubber that's on there. You're biting. No. Don't. He's biting the little rubber on the lantern. The little piece that covers the power plate. Here you go. Here you go. Okay. Got it, sweetheart? You're all wet. You're all wet. You want one, honey? You have one in the corner? Here you go, sweetheart. Come on. Come on, I'm getting wet. You guys may not care, but I was out in the rain all day with them racists. Well, I guess you don't care if I get wet. You want me to bring you one, honey? Is that what? Here you go, sweetheart. Okay, got it. Here's one for you too. You two can have it over there. You have it there. You have it there. But I heard one down there. Whiteface, you're soaked. You're soaked, honey. No, don't be chewing on my lantern, little runt. Come on. That's what gives you the light to stay out here. And be video stars. You guys are like little movie stars. You're going to go through the hole in the thing there to go down? Is that what you're doing? And you're going up there? Okay, I'll get it. You're going through the hole in the thing, huh? Is that where you're going to go? Here, silly. Here, sweetheart. Got it? Okay, honey. Yeah, take it down through the hole. Play your little games. You're looking at something down there. You guys are sitting over there. Hey, you want another one, honey? Here. Yeah. Here you go, sweetheart. Got it? Okay. All right, well, you know what? I'm going in because I'm getting soaked. And I will see you guys tomorrow night, okay? My little sweethearts. I will see you tomorrow night. Yeah. I will see you tomorrow night. Oh, what are you doing? I didn't even see you over there. I'll get you one. Hiding behind them. I didn't see you back there. Here you go, sweetheart. Here. There you go. You got it? Okay. You want one too, honey? You want me to bring you one? Okay. Phew. This dad stuff is tough. Here you go, sweetheart. Okay. Yeah. I'll give you the couple more I have left, and then I'm going inside because I have to get up early. Here you go, sweetheart. You want another one, or you need some water first? Okay. How about you, baby cakes? How about you, sweetheart? Yeah. You know I love you. You know that, right? You know. You're all wet. Is that good? All right. I'll see you tomorrow, I promise. You want another one, honey, before I go? I'm such a pushover. I mean, you can't blame me. They're so cute. Here you go, sweetie. Oh, you're still eating down there? You want another one, honey? Hey, you want another one? Got it? Okay. Do you want another one, sweetheart? Down here? Here. You want another one? You want another one, little lover? Oh, you're falling through the hole. Oh, you saw. Oh, it fell. Here. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Here. Okay, sweetheart. Do you want another one? And you're over there eating it on the branch. What are you doing? You going down? Here you go, sweetheart. Okay. Have one more. Have one more. There you go, honey. You still eating? Yeah, you got one too. You got one too. You know you're my favorite, Runt. You know that, don't you? Okay. No. It's raining good again. Yeah. You want another one, sweetheart? Or you want some water? It's up to you. Okay. That's it. I'm out. Night, kids.